Ever felt lost in the crypto jungle, struggling to find that one elusive identifier? Today, we're cracking the code and showing you exactly how to find your user ID, or UID, in Bitget Wallet, making referrals, support requests, and account identification a total breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your Bitget Wallet app. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top left corner, see that little icon, usually your profile picture or default avatar. That's where we need to go. Tap on it. Great. You're now on your profile page. Take a look just below your username. You should see a string of numbers and letters labeled UID. This, my friend, is your user ID. This unique identifier is your key to many things within the Bitget Wallet ecosystem. Now, to make things even easier, most versions of the app allow you to copy the UID with a simple tap on the copy icon, usually located right next to it. Give it a tap. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully located and copied your Bitget Wallet UID. Use it wisely for all your referral needs, when contacting support, or any time you need to identify your account. You're now one step closer to mastering the crypto world.